Mom and I are here at the gym. My Hydro Flask matches my set. You don't look as cute as I do.
I don't.
No more when you set. All right, we gotta go. Almost 45 minutes. So Mom and I have been trying to go to the gym
All day.
all morning. It is now 2 p.m. and so I'm finally starting this video because we're supposed to go to the gym. That was supposed to be the main thing. Now we have all these other things planned, but we're at the gym. We're walking on our treadmill, just getting warmed up. Yeah. So Mom was supposed to wake me up, and I thought she went on her own and just ditched me, but she didn't. So now we are at the gym at 2 p.m. We're done on the treadmill. So we had a short workout. We have to go get Jack. But I think I made a friend while Mom left in the weight room. And hang on, I have to throw my... No, like a guy just like said hi to me and asked me how I was doing, and I was like, fine.
Was he a bye? Thank you. Was he?
He's an employee. Yeah. He was like walking up and I was walking down, so he's an employee. Yeah, thank you. Yes, he was an employee. So Mom and I had a short workout. We walked on the treadmill, did some abs. Mom stretched her back. I finished my abs. You have anything to add, Mother, dearest?
I'm hungry.
She's hungry. Great.
She's always hungry.
I was thinking more like, even though it was a short workout, like it's always better to get in the gym, you know,
I'm so glad
inspirational
we had
type.
this time
Yes.
together.
And I didn't even put in my headphones.
Just to have a laugh or walk the treadmill.
I didn't even put in my headphones, so she actually got to talk to me the whole time. And I took a photo with her.
I was so excited.
So,
but now she sends me the photo.
The photo is going to go right there.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm waiting for my mom to get in the house because she's going to pick up my brother, and me and my sweaty mess are gonna go get some groceries and stuff, and then I'm gonna shower and put on some makeup and start my day at 3 p.m. Well, probably 4 p.m. by the time I get back. Is she gotten in the house? I can't tell. I told her about OK Boomer and she did not appreciate, which I'm a little disappointed in. Okay, I think she's good. We're still on drive. Okay. She hasn't come out telling me that she needs to get in, so we're gonna go. I am going shopping and grocery shopping, and then my mom and I are going to get acupuncture because I think it might be helpful for my headaches. So I'm gonna put you in this new angle. Hang on, different hands free. Okay, over. So basically, I'm going to, you can't see me. New angles. So basically I'm going to Mariano's, and which is like a local, it's kind of like Whole Foods, but not as expensive, but like has more selection than Trader Joe's maybe. So I'm gonna go, and I have a beet soup recipe that I want to make, and I'm gonna look ridiculous in my Set Active leggings, but I have like a top to put over it, so it's fine. But I'm gonna go get some stuff for beet soup, and I'm trying this new green juice, so we're gonna get stuff for that, and I need coffee creamer because I'm an addict. Yeah, my mom needs some milk. Not too much is going on though. So yeah, I'm gonna get some health foods. I have no idea where we're gonna put it in the fridge because the fridge is always a mess, but there's like not cohesive meals in there, so it just doesn't really make sense to me. I don't understand. I don't understand how it's gotten messier since Megan and I left, because there's like 2 less people to feed, and like my sister has a lot of like weird dietary cares, and she's like not eating dairy right now, so it's kind of like a mess. Like she whereas like I don't really eat that much, and like my brother and my dad like literally don't care, so all she has to do is like buy normal food. I don't know. All right, I rambled long enough. See you in the store. Found the crouton. So I didn't really film much today, but we went to see my cousin play basketball. We got some more acupuncture / chiropracticness. I didn't film, but I got stuff to make cookies, which will be in a future video. And yeah, we went to dinner and got chocolate, which we haven't eaten yet, but it looks yummy. And my mom and I are now watching The Bachelor. Thanks so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. If you haven't already, subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment down below about what you're doing with your Christmas break. Bye.